Hello everyone, today we will make a phad art. So let's get started. So firstly, you have to trace this design on your canvas or else you can draw it freehand. Now take your flash tint shade and add a little bit of orange in it and create a different shade or a darker shade and fill it in all the skin portions. Now take your yellow color and fill it in half of the dresses of the following figures. Now similarly we have to take all the vibrant shades. The shade should be vibrant and very bright, and we have to fill all of them in the dresses as shown. You have to take the different shades, and this is a traditional Indian art, and in this art there is no compulsion of colors. You can take any color whichever you want, or you can create your own shade by mixing them and just fill them in the specific portions. The only compulsion over here is that you have to fill the blue color in the Krishna only. You cannot fill any other color. For the background we will use chrome yellow color. Now take your 0 number brush and black color and start outlining each and everything as shown. At the main outlines you have to take it darker, and in the inner you have to take it lighter. And now it's ready. It's looking beautiful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.